Seeing some of that morning fog break out across mid-Missouri, now we're dealing with that low-lying cloud cover. Few peaks of blue sky, few peaks of sunshine as we're headed into this afternoon, but the main feature will be the cloudy skies. This is pretty much your textbook mostly cloudy day whenever we're talking about it here in mid-Missouri. Temperatures mid to upper 40s, close to 50 degrees, about 5 or 6 degrees shy of where we should be for this time of year. So a little bit cool out there, but in general, pretty easy to take. Need a light jacket if you do plan on heading outside for a few minutes into this afternoon. 44 degrees as we're headed into this evening. Going to be tracking our next round of storms, though, as we're headed into Tuesday morning. Those storms are likely going to last on and off throughout the day, and those clouds will be holding on strong. We'll be into the mid and upper 50s into tomorrow afternoon with a little bit more warm air to work with across a good portion of the state. Future track showing some of those clouds beginning to break up into the later evening hours, quickly replaced by a few scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder through the very early morning hours on Tuesday. But the more appreciable rain and likely the more thunderous rain is going to be into the early morning hours. By 9 o'clock on Tuesday, seeing that first batch roll through, secondary batch will roll through right around the noon hours, and then into the afternoon, likely seeing a third round of thunderstorms rolling through. And with each of these, some thunder, some lightning, maybe even some pea-sized hail possible, and a gusty wind or two as these roll through quickly into the afternoon hours. Those will taper off into Tuesday evening, and for the most part will be dry on Wednesday, may even squeeze out a good bit of sunshine into Wednesday afternoon. And we may see a strong storm or two as we're headed into Tuesday evening with those few rounds of storms that move through, but it's not going to be too terribly widespread of a threat. We're only in a level 1 out of 5 risk south of Highway 50 into tomorrow. For later in the week, we are going to be tracking our next chance at some storms, especially Friday night and on into Saturday. Here's future track over the next couple of days. Wednesday is dry. For the most part, Thursday will be dry as well. And then as we're headed into Thursday night and Friday, one round of storms possible for early Friday morning. Will start to dry out into Friday afternoon. And then Friday evening, watching that next round of rain, widespread at times, even some thunderstorms throughout Saturday and into Saturday afternoon and evening, and then drying out as we're headed into Sunday with just a few clouds around into Sunday afternoon, and a little bit cooler as that cold front moves through. We drop back down into the lower 50s into Sunday. Should rebound pretty quickly, though, as we head into next week, but in general, it looks like that stormy pattern is going to be continuing after we dry out for Wednesday and Thursday.